Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 5 fuel injector cleaners that we personally tested. Yes, poured into real tanks, drove real miles, and saw real results. If your engine's been acting sluggish, idling rough, or guzzling more fuel than usual, this video's for you. Let's get into it. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. This one's a legend in the fuel system cleaning game, and after testing it on a 2012 Honda Civic with a rough idle and sluggish acceleration, we saw noticeable improvements within just one tank. Cold starts were smoother, throttle response sharpened up, and fuel economy ticked up by nearly 1.5 kilometers per liter. What makes Techron stand out is its powerful PEA-based formula. It doesn't just clean injectors, it scrubs intake valves and combustion chambers too. It's safe for all gasoline engines and works wonders on older vehicles that haven't had a cleaning in years. If you want a reliable, no-nonsense cleaner that delivers, Techron is a solid pick. Check the description for the best price and where to grab it. We've linked the exact bottle we used. Next, we have the BG44K fuel system cleaner. And wow, this one's a beast. We ran it through a high-mileage Toyota Corolla that had hesitation under load and poor fuel economy. Within 80 kilometers, the engine felt livelier, and the misfire codes we'd been chasing disappeared. BG44. K is often used by professionals for a reason. It's formulated to clean injectors, combustion chambers, and even oxygen sensors. It's not the cheapest option, but if your engine's performance is seriously degraded, this is the one to reach for. It's especially effective before emissions tests or long road trips. Want to see the exact product we used? Hit the description. We've got it linked with the best deals. Now let's talk about Lucas Oil Fuel Treatment. This one's a bit of a multitasker. We tested it on both a diesel pickup and a petrol hatchback, and it worked beautifully in both. It's not just a cleaner, it lubricates the fuel system, reduces carbon buildup, and even helps with ethanol-related issues. After a few tanks, we noticed smoother idling, quicker throttle response, and a small but consistent bump in mileage. It's perfect for regular maintenance and works well in mixed fleets. If you're looking for a long-term fuel system conditioner that's budget-friendly and versatile, Lucas Oil delivers. Check the description for the exact bottle we used. It's a big one, and it lasts a while. Fourth on the list is Liqui Moly Injector, and this one's all about precision. We tried it on a BMW Z4 that had a rough idle and occasional stalling. After adding Injector and driving around 100 kilometers, the idle stabilized, and the engine felt smoother across the rev range. What sets Liqui Moly apart is its German engineering. It's designed specifically for gasoline engines and axles in European cars. It's not flashy, but it's incredibly effective for engines with injector issues, especially older models. If you've got a Eurocar or just want a cleaner that works fast, Injector is worth a look. Tap the description. We've linked the exact product we used and where to get it at the best price. Last but not least, we tested Royal Purple Max Clean, and this one's a triple threat. It cleans the fuel system, stabilizes fuel for storage, and even boosts performance. We ran it through a performance-tuned Hyundai i20N, and the results were impressive. Smoother acceleration, reduced knock, and a slight bump in horsepower. It's EPA/CARB compliant, safe for all engines, and ideal for seasonal vehicles or performance cars. If you want a cleaner that goes beyond just maintenance and actually enhances your drive, Max Clean is the one. Check the description for the product link. We've got the exact bottle we used and the best price we could find. That's our roundup of the top 5 fuel injector cleaners in 2025. Each one tested, proven, and worth your attention. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more hands-on reviews, and let us know in the comments which one you've tried or plan to use. All product links and best prices are waiting for you in the description. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.